group projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Telugu News Summarizer. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. The project aims to create a system that automatically generates summaries of Telugu news articles, providing concise and coherent summaries that capture the essence of the news, enabling users to quickly understand the main points without reading the entire article, a crucial aspect for efficient information consumption. Traditional summarization methods include manual, extractive, and abstractive methods. Manual methods are time consuming and scalable, while extractive methods select significant sentences but lack coherence and context. Abstractive methods generate new sentences but are computationally intensive and require advanced language understanding and training. The Telugu News Summarizer project involves data pre-processing, constructing word embeddings with GenSim and word-to-vector, categorizing news topics for contextual summarization, and implementing bidirectional long short-term memory and LSTM models for improved performance. Additionally, machine learning algorithms like random forest classifier, logistic regression, support vector machine, k-nearest neighbor, and decision tree are utilized for Telugu news summarization. The Telugu news summarizer uses specialized Telugu summarization algorithms, GenSim, natural language processing, and Sumi LexRank to generate concise summaries from news articles, providing diverse perspectives and an estimated reading time for users to effectively manage the time while consuming news content. The project benefits news readers with efficient information consumption, aids journalists and editors in editorial streamlining, assists researchers in shift insights discovery, enables businesses to monitor industry news efficiently, and helps language learners enhance Telugu comprehension, collectively enhancing news content accessibility and utility. Flask deployment involves creating routes for user requests, processing input, generating summaries using algorithms, and rendering results via HTML templates, enhancing usability and reach by allowing web browser access to the summarization service. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Software requirements of the project are: application is Anaconda, primary language is Python, front-end framework is Flask, back-end framework is Jupyter Notebook, databases SQLite 3, front-end technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements of the project are: operating system of Windows, processor of 5.5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above. Algorithms used. These are the algorithms utilized in the project, which are LSTM, long short term memory, bidirectional LSTM, random forest classifier, logistic regression, support vector machine, KNN, K nearest neighbor, and decision tree for Telugu news summarization. And here, this is the data set. So in this data set, we can see the different features, which are date, heading, body, topic, and the text. So in the topic column, we are having the different topics, which are business, sports, nation, entertainment, and more. So this data set is used to train the models. Now let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder. So here in the code folder, we are having the collab notebook folder. Now let us open this. So inside this folder, we have main.ipynb file. This is a Jupyter Notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. And here, this is the web application folder. Inside this folder, we have the static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is the templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, and more, which represent different pages of the website. This is app.py file. This file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. And here, this is the test cases text document. So here we have the test cases which we will use during the execution. Now, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. So here I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. Use the cd command followed by a space. And paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Now compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py and hit enter. This command will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. So here we can see a text box, and here we need to enter the Telugu news. And after entering the Telugu news, we need to click on the summarize button here. And after clicking on the summarize button, we will get the summary of the news. Now let us enter the news from the test cases, which I have shown you during the explanation of the code folder. So here I am selecting the first one, copy this and paste it here. So this is the news. Now click on summarize button. So here we can see this is the text, your text. So this is the text. This is the Telugu news which we have entered. And here we can see the reading time, which is 0.505 minutes. And here this is the summarized news, which is given in brief. And here we can see the reading time, which is 0.38 minutes, which is less than the original one. And here we can see the time elapsed. So this is the time which is over after we have entered this text. So here we can see the text and the summarized text. Now click on compare summaries link. So here again, let us enter the same Telugu news. And this is the news, and then click on summarize button. So here, this is the text which we have entered. And here we can see time elapsed, and the reading time for this text is 0.505 minutes. And here we can see we are having the different options: Telugu summarizer, Gensum summarizer, NLTK, and Sami Lex rank. So we can see the Telugu summary here. So this is the Telugu summary. of the text which we have given. And here we can see the reading time, which is 0.38 minutes, which is less than the the time which takes to read the complete news. So here the reading time is 0.505 and the reading time here is 0.38 minutes. So it makes the time less. So this is the Telugu summary. Now click on Jensen Summarizer to see the summary. So here we can see we got the summary in a single line, and the reading time is obviously very less than the Telugu summarizer and the actual time which it takes. So the reading time is 0.04 minutes. So this is the Jensen summarizer. Now click on NLTK. So this is the NLTK summary. So the reading time is 0.43, which is less than the actual time. And here we have the Sumi Lex rank. Click on it. So here this is the summary by the Sumi Lex rank. And the reading time is 0.135 minutes, which is very less than the actual reading time. So in this way, by giving a Telugu news, we can summarize the news and we can get the news in a concise way, which will take less time to get the efficient data. Now again, click on home link. Now let us enter some more news from the test cases itself. So now let us select the second one, copy this and paste it here. So this is the news which we have entered. Now click on summarize button. So here this is the text which we have entered and the reading time is 0.345 minutes, 0.345 minutes. And here we can see the time elapsed. And this is the summarized text. So we can see that the summarized text is concise, that is shorter than the actual one. That is what we call a summary. And here we can see the reading time, which is 0.275 minutes, which is less than the actual time. So we can grab the same content in a lesser time. Now click on compare summaries link. Now let us enter the same Telugu news here and then click on summarize button. So here this is the text which we have entered, and here we can see the time elapsed, and this is the reading time, which is 0.345 minutes. And here we can see the Telugu summarizer. So this is the Telugu summary, which for which the reading time is 0.275 minutes, so which is less than the actual reading time. Now click on Jensen summarizer. So the Jensen summarizer has given the summary in just 2 lines and the reading time is 0.1 minutes only. Now click on NLTK. So this is the NLTK summary and the reading time is 0.345 minutes. Now click on Sumi Lex rank. This is the summary given by the Sumi Lex rank and the reading time is 0.19 minutes. So in this way, we can get the concise summary for the given news. Summary is nothing but in brief, we will get the content. And the summary will be very useful because we can get the same information from the summary which we get from reading the entire text. So, summary saves the time and it is very convenient to understand. So in this way, we can enter more Telugu news and we can check these summaries. We can compare the summaries. We can get the Telugu summary. We can get the Telugu summary by the Telugu summarizer, Jensen summarizer from the NLTK and from the Sumi Lex rank also. In conclusion, the Telugu News Summarizer project significantly enhances information accessibility and usability by automating summarization. It empowers users to efficiently grasp news article highlights benefiting various stakeholders, including readers, journalists, researchers, businesses, and language learners. Overall, the project offers a valuable solution for navigating the abundance of online news content effectively.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.